Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we are going to be learning how to save Filmora project as MP4. Filmora offers a straightforward way to save your project as an MP4 file, so here is how it's done. Open up your Filmora application and go ahead and open up a video clip that you want to edit. Once you import the video, you can go ahead and make necessary edits according to your choice. And finally, after you are finished with your editing, click on the export button at the top. Once you click on export, it'll take you to this pop-up where under local, you will need to select MP4. There are a couple of different formats you can choose from, but in order to save your video as MP4, make sure you select MP4 from the options. Finally, after selecting MP4, go ahead and export your file by entering a name, select a location, and adjust other settings such as resolution, frame rate, etc. After you are done, click on the export button at the top right corner in order to export your video as an MP4 file. So that's how it's done. If you found the video to be helpful, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to the channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press on the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next video. Thanks for watching.